What's the meaning of action figure? Action figure. Action figure. Action figure. Action figure. Action figure. An action figure is a posable plastic figurine of a character or creature from various forms of media such as movies, comics, and video games. The figures are typically around 6 to 7 inches tall and feature movable limbs, allowing collectors to recreate dynamic scenes from the source material. They often come with a variety of accessories and interchangeable parts, allowing users to customize and create unique displays. The popularity of action figures has led to a thriving collectibles market, with some figures becoming highly sought after and valuable among collectors.